Hey, my name's Silas. I'm from the UK. I live in Australia and I've got US proofreading clients. I've been proofreading since 2019 after graduating from Proofread Anywhere. I had a lot of dead-end jobs while dealing with visa work restrictions, and I was always on the lookout for a way to make money with something I was good at and something I enjoyed doing. And I also wanted to create a work lifestyle focused on location and time flexibility. So when I found Proofread Anywhere, it just kind of seemed like the perfect fit because I love to read and naturally pick up grammar mistakes. And also you can proofread anywhere. I was a bit skeptical that you could actually get paid to proofread. I thought, do people actually value this as a skill? Do they pay well for it? And I found out that, the answer to that is a resounding yes. I've actually taken the general proofreading course and also the transcript proofreading course. I've had lots of different types of clients. These days I proofread just part-time. It kind of varies week to week what I do, roughly about 10 to 20 hours a week. And over the last year, I've made an average of $1,900 per month with proofreading. Now, like I said, it's enabled me to have location flexibility. I actually got my first client while traveling around Europe. It's a great way to get started with making money online because there's minimal startup costs. It's a short learning curve. There's lots of work out there. You can, start earning and making a profit relatively quickly. It's a valuable skill that isn't going away anytime soon. And personally, it's just been a great stepping stone for me when it comes to making money online. I could go on and on about how great the course is. It's not just the theory. You actually learn how to start a business. You learn how to set your rates, how to market to clients. And there's also an amazing community and support team if you need it. The Proofread Anywhere team and Caitlin Pyle, they truly want you to succeed. And, they'll help in any way that they can with that. When I was looking, I'd actually checked out a few different opportunities before Proofread Anywhere. And nothing had really kind of resonated with me or with my beliefs and what I wanted. But when I found Proofread Anywhere, it really just kind of ticked all the boxes for me. So, if it does the same for you, I recommend just going for it. So with that, I hope to see you inside the Proofread Anywhere community sometime soon, and good luck.